Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever spent hours trying to come up with new t-shirt or mug design ideas for your Etsy or Redbubble store, you know how exhausting it can be. You scroll through trends, brainstorm clever quotes, and still end up feeling stuck. Well, today I'm going to show you something that can completely change the way you create. It's called PrintProfit Vault. PrintProfit Vault is an absolute game changer for anyone in the print-on-demand space. It's a massive collection of 10,000 carefully crafted AI prompts designed specifically for creating high-converting designs. These prompts aren't random or generic, they're built around real-world proven niches that sell, like pets, fitness, humor, family, gaming, activism, and tons more. The best part? It's all organized beautifully inside a single Excel file, complete with tabs and a table of contents. You just pick your niche, copy the prompt, and paste it into your favorite AI tool, whether that's ChatGPT, Midjourney, Gemini, or Stable Diffusion. Within seconds, you can start generating fresh, unique designs that are ready to go on shirts, mugs, posters, and more. What I really love about this vault is how practical it is. You don't have to guess what sells anymore. You're working with prompts that are already focused on profit and creativity. It's perfect for Etsy sellers, Redbubble artists, or anyone who wants to save time and scale faster using AI-powered design ideas. So if you're serious about growing your print-on-demand business and want a constant stream of winning ideas, definitely check out PrintProfit Vault. It's like having your own AI design assistant ready 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what niche you're planning to dominate next. See you in the next video.